In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic updates in Windows 10 so you can stop Windows 10 automatic updates. Automatic updates are designed to keep your computer secure and up to date, but sometimes they can interrupt your work, restart your PC at inconvenient times, or cause issues with specific programs. In this guide, I'll walk you through a safe and simple way to disable them. And I'll explain what each step is doing so you understand exactly what's happening on your system. First, make sure you're signed in with an account that has administrator rights, because we'll be changing a system-level setting. Also, it's a good idea to save any open work, just in case you need to restart later. Let's start by opening the Services window, which is where Windows manages background processes, including updates. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key together. This opens a small run box at the bottom of your screen. In that box, type Services MSC and then press Enter. After a moment, a new window will appear listing many different services that Windows runs in the background. This list is in alphabetical order, which makes it easier to find what we need. Scroll down slowly until you find the entry called Windows Update. Take your time here. There are a lot of items, so look carefully for that exact name. Once you've found Windows Update, right-click on it and select Properties. A new dialog box will open. This is where we can control how the Windows Update service behaves. Near the top of this window, look for a field labeled Startup Type. By default, this is usually set to automatic or manual. Click on the drop-down menu next to Startup Type, and from the list of options, choose Disabled. This tells Windows not to start the update service automatically when your computer boots up. Below that, you'll see a Service Status section, which may show that the service is currently running. If it does, click the Stop button. This will immediately stop the Windows Update service from running in the background. After you've set the Startup Type to Disabled and stop the service, click Apply, and then click OK to confirm your changes and close the window. At this point, automatic updates are effectively turned off. Windows will no longer automatically download and install updates in the background. Remember though that updates are important for security, so it's a good idea to come back to this settings area occasionally, re-enable the service, and manually check for updates when it's convenient for you. That's it. You've successfully stopped automatic updates on Windows 10.